Hello friends, we are thrilled to present another tutorial video from BestBull. In our previous video, we explored the deal mode in the history section. Today, we will delve into the order mode in the history section. To access this, simply right-click in the history section and select the fifth option called Orders. This will open up a window with various details. Here, you can find information about open positions, closed positions and orders that have been filled or cancelled. The profit and loss calculation remains the same as before, and you can use this reference to determine which trade corresponds to which position. Let's consider an example in the last entry. A sell order was executed at a specific rate and time. No further details are visible in front of it, indicating that it is a new position. The position was closed at a different price and time. In this case, you only need to calculate the commission and profit loss for this entry. Please ignore the open commission since it has already been accounted for in a different place. Therefore, we calculate it in one place and do not duplicate the calculation. Thank you for watching. We hope you have learned something new from this video. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we will explore more interesting topics.